You're using way too many apps, and I get it. You've got Notion for notes, Trello for tasks, Grammarly for writing, Google Docs for sharing, and ChatGPT for ideas. That's exhausting. But what if you could run your entire workflow, brainstorm, write, plan, design, automate, all in one AI-powered tool? And it's totally free. Let me introduce you to Taskade, the one tool that's about to change how solopreneurs like you and me get things done in 2025. Welcome back to AI Solo Toolkit, the channel that helps you power your workflow with AI precision. If you're a solopreneur, content creator, freelancer, or anyone trying to do more with less, this is your go-to spot for free AI tools and automation tricks that actually work.
Welcome to AI Solo Toolkit, your go-to space for learning how to and grow your solo biz using powerful free AI tools if you are into no-code, automation, content shortcuts, and making solo. Hit that subscribe button and let's get your work.
The real problem? Too many tabs, too little time. Let's be honest. We're in the golden age of productivity tools, and yet we've never been more overwhelmed. Notion's open in one tab. Trello's got your tasks. ChatGPT is chilling somewhere, waiting for a prompt. Grammarly is yelling about tone. Google Docs, forgotten in tab number 43. You waste hours just switching between tools. That's why I started testing Taskade. And honestly, I didn't expect it to replace all of them. But after using it for a few weeks, I was like, wait, why didn't I know about this earlier? Meet Taskade, your all-in-one AI workspace. Taskade is like the Swiss Army knife of solopreneur tools, but powered with AI. It combines to-do lists, mind maps, notes, task boards, chat and video calls, AI Writer Plus, AI agents, calendar and project tracking, real-time collaboration and powerful automations, all in one smooth, free workspace. And the AI built right in. No switching windows, no extra tabs, no Zapier integrations, just flow. Let me show you how it replaces 5 of your most used apps, starting with a fan favorite. Number 1 replaces Notion and Trello. If you use Notion or Trello, you know how flexible they are, but they require setup, templates, structure. With Taskade, it's instant. You open a new project, and boom, you choose a workflow. Combine list, calendar, mind map, action board. You want to turn your weekly plan into a board? Just click. Need a content calendar? There's a template. Want to switch views? One click. And best of all, the built-in AI assistant helps you plan automatically. You can literally say, create a 3-month content calendar for my YouTube channel, and it builds it, with topics, timelines, deadlines, everything. But on autopilot? Number 2 replaces Grammarly and ChatGPT. Here's where Taskade really shines. Writing and ideation. Forget switching to Grammarly and ChatGPT every time you need to write a blog, caption, or script. Taskade has an AI writer built directly into your workspace. Highlight any sentence, right-click, and choose. Make this sound more professional. Summarize, expand, translate, rewrite for social media. Fix grammar and tone. It's like ChatGPT and Grammarly are inside the document with you. You can even give Taskade open-ended prompts like write a 3-paragraph product description in a casual tone, or brainstorm 10 viral YouTube titles for tools in 2025, and you get responses right inside your project. No copy, paste. Number 3 replaces Google Docs. Now let's talk document collaboration. Google Docs is the standard, but it's clunky, disconnected from your tasks, and not AI-powered. Taskade fixes all of that. You can write, edit, comment, and collaborate on documents in the same place as your projects and tasks. Need a quick summary of a long article? Click. Done. Want to turn your notes into a video script? Just ask. Need to convert your plan into a checklist? Auto-generated. Your notes aren't static anymore. They're alive, dynamic, and connected to your actual work. No more bouncing from Google Docs to your to-do list. Number 4 replaces Canva, while Taskade isn't a full Canva replacement. It does help you generate visual content blocks and layout ideas using AI. For solopreneurs who just want simple, clean visuals, this is a hidden gem. Use the AI to generate YouTube script outlines, slide deck bullet points, Instagram captions, plus structure, website, copy, templates, landing page headlines. You get content plus layout ideas, and then you can export or copy-paste into Canva when you're ready for polish. It's like a Canva. Number 5 replaces Zapier. If you're into automating workflows, Taskade also offers custom AI agents and triggers. Think Zapier plus AI VA. You can set up AI agents too. Send you daily summaries, auto-organize your to-do list, create weekly blog drafts, monitor goals, and flag what's overdue. Summarize meetings, plus assign tasks. They run automatically based on your triggers. So now your workspace isn't just smart, it's self-updating. That's huge. If you're managing clients, content, and tasks Solo. Bonus feature, AI video calls and real-time chat. Oh, and did I mention Taskade's built-in video calls plus team chat? You can literally jump on a Zoom-style call inside your project and take notes that auto-sync while you speak. Perfect for client meetings, team check-ins, remote collaborations. Live brainstorming with AI assistance. It's collaboration without the tech headache. Real-life use case. Let me walk you through how I use Taskade daily for my AI Solo Toolkit brand. In morning, I open my dashboard. Taskade gives me a daily digest. Tasks, content ideas, deadlines. I use AI to outline a new YouTube video script based on what's trending. Afternoon, I create tasks from the outline. Assign due dates. Break down the script into clips. AI helps me rewrite titles, summarize talking points, and auto-create social posts in evening. AI agent auto-schedules my next video. I review everything from my phone. No friction. This has saved me hours. Pricing breakdown. Here's the best part. Taskade is 100% free to start. You'll get unlimited projects, built-in AI tools, collaboration features, templates, cross-device sync, and you only pay if you want to unlock team-level automation or scale up usage. But for most, the free plan is more than enough. No hidden fees, no weird limits, no credit card up front. Who should use Taskade is perfect for solo entrepreneurs juggling multiple roles, content creators with overlapping tools, freelancers tired of copying info between apps, startup teams who need structure and speed, digital nomads working across devices. Basically, if you're doing more than one thing and want one place to do it all, this is it. All right, if you're still using 5 to 6 different tools and wondering why you feel burnt out, it's time to try. It's free, it's smart, and it actually helps you do more with less. And if you like this breakdown, comment below. What's one tool you could replace with Taskade today? Let's start a conversation in the comments. This is AI Solo Toolkit, helping you power your workflow with AI precision. One tool at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with another solopreneur who needs to declutter their digital life. Catch you in the next one.